Hey, what's up? In today's video, I want to show you a very quick stretching routine that you can do all by standing up. All right, here we go. So what I want to do first is walk you through all the exercises, and then we're going to go ahead and do them together. So the first exercise we're going to do is simply called a streamline stretch. So you're going to overlap one hand over the other. It doesn't really matter what we start with. So I'm gonna go left over right. Hands are gonna go up over your head, and notice my stance here. My knees are bent, okay? My tailbone is tucked under, my rib cage is pulled in, and I'm just gonna lean to the right side. Just leaning to that right side. And if I'm starting to lean to my right side, what I like to do is put my right hand behind and almost pull with my thumb over to that side, while at the same time pushing that right hip forward. So it's a lot of stretch in your side, chest up, shoulders back, and then we're gonna go ahead and switch. So left goes back behind, and then you can use your thumb to kind of pull it backwards. But it's really important that you maintain that posture. Don't lean back. Keep that core super tight, and as you lean, really feel the stretch in your side body. The third exercise is a simple back bend. So you go chest up, shoulders back, hands back behind, really supporting your lower back. You're just stretching back behind you. So your knees are bent, your head can go back. Just a little bit of stretch. You don't want to overdo this, but you do want to start to stretch out the belly and also get a little bit of spine stretch, okay? The next one is an opposite foot touch. So hands are going to come up, and you're just going to be stretching and reaching from side to side. Now this is an excellent way to stretch your hamstrings, and notice how my hips are going backwards. So my hips are going backwards as I'm pressing my butt back and touching that left hand to the right foot, and then again, the right hand to the left foot. So really feel like your hamstrings are stretching, and bend those knees to support that. The next is a sumo shoulder touch. So you're gonna be in a sumo position, chest up, shoulders back, sitting into a sumo squat. And when you do this, you wanna really press into your heels, feel like your core is super tight, chest up and shoulders back, okay? Put your hands on your knees. All you're gonna do is roll forward with that left shoulder towards the center, sit up, and then roll. Sit and roll, sit and roll. Really feel like you're pressing, feeling those inner thighs open up, as well as warming up that spine in your back and really stretching it out there. Then we're gonna do a split touch. So what that is, chest up, shoulders back, you're gonna be splitting and touching, and then reaching to the sky and stretching. Split touch, really sit down into that squat, and then reach to the sky. So it's really a lot of dynamic movement, and it's really gonna stretch out your hips, your back, and your core without having to do any lying on the ground. So let's go ahead and do this together. Big breath in. We're gonna hold each position for about 10 seconds. We'll go through a couple times with me, but really this is meant to keep you flexible without having to lay on the ground to do any stretches. So let's go ahead. Place your right hand behind your left hand, get into a position, athletic position, chest up, shoulders back, bend those knees, and I want you to just take a big breath in and lean to your right. Continue to breathe this entire time. Hold it here, really feel that stretch in your left side while at the same time pulling in your belly. 3, 2, 1, and switch sides. So now overlap that left hand behind, link that thumb and stretch. Big breath, keep your eyes on me, eyes open, stay engaged, stay present. Reach here, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now hands behind the back, and just look back and really reach back. Good, breathe here. You can roll out your neck if you feel like you can't breathe that way. Just lean back, push down on that lower back, hold it. 3, 2, 1, and stand. Roll out the neck. Chest up, shoulders back. Now we're gonna do that opposite foot touch for 10. So big breath, press the hips back, go 10, 9, really feel it here. 8, push back on those hamstrings. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one's always the best one, and 1. Get straight into that sumo positioning. Hands on your knees and roll forward. 1. Sit up and roll forward. 2. Good ending position where you have great posture. 4. Good. Really feel that stretch. 5, 6, 7, nice work. 8, really roll forward. 9, last one. 10, then stay in this position, touch down. Reach up and stretch, pull that core in, touch down. Reach up and stretch. Good, this is 3, touch down. Reach up and stretch. Good work here, touch. Reach up and stretch. Nice work, couple more. Down, reach up and stretch. Let's go 2 more. Down, reach up and stretch. Hold this for a second. And here's your last one. Go down, really hold this stretch. Feel your inner thighs stretching out. Big breath, reach up and breathe, shake it out. Let's go into round 2 right away. Keep that body warm. Right over left, link it up and stretch to the right. Big breath in, good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Left behind the right, pull to that left, good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, breathe here, never hold your breath. And down, shake it out, hands behind the back, and just push backwards, lean back. Feel that breath. Push backwards, bend those knees. 3, 2, 1, and nice. Wide legs, opposite foot touch, and 1. Really push back those heels. Feel that butt pushing back and feel your hamstrings really stretching here. Let's hold this for a second. And then switch, hold. And notice how my hand is up in the air behind me. Switch, hold. Good. Let's go 2 more. Switch, hold here. Last one. Good. Now widen up those legs. Hands on the knees and roll forward. 1, 2, really twist here. 3, 4, feel your spine and your legs working here. Good. Let's go 4 more. 4, big breath. 3, 2, last one. 1, reach up to the sky and touch. Reach up to the sky and stay here. Have a little bit of bend in the knee. Just want you to reach up as high as you possibly can. Take a big breath in. Try to close that rib cage together. And now sit into this touch here. If you need to, put your hands on your knees and just feel this stretch. Let's go ahead and rock a little bit from side to side. Feel this stretch. Go ahead and touch down and then reach up to the sky. A little bit of bend. Pull in the core. Pull in the belly button. Feel the stretch and sit into it. Really rock back and forth here. Feel the stretch in your legs. Good, let's go. 1 more. Reach up to the sky. Good, stretch, stretch, stretch. And touch down and just hold this here for a second. Take a big breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Rotate your neck all at the same time, pushing down on your quads, rolling on your neck. When you say quads, top of your legs. Big breath, push here, nice work. 5, 4, really feel the stretch in your inner thighs. 3, 2, and stand, shake it out. So that's your super quick standing stretch routine. You can do this anytime, anywhere, and I suggest you do it right now no matter where you are. So if you like this video, if you like this style of stretching, go ahead and check out the link down below. I've got a free stretching workout for you to use right now. I know you're absolutely gonna love it, so make sure you comment on what your favorite exercise was. All right, see you guys.